Sir, like I said before, that I want to fellowship by streaming the live service in your house. The last thunder that struck, spoiled my television. That is why. So please, sir, I've not been able to get to church for a very long time now. So let me just join live service through your house.
It's okay. I've told you before, this house is like your house. You don't have to bother yourself.
Thank you very much, sir.
You don't have to beg me for it.
Thank you, sir.
Govinda, please give me the remote. Yeah, Uncle needs to watch some preaching. Okay, the station. All right. Okay, let me excuse you, okay?
Very good. Thank you very much, sir.
All right.
The life of God through the ignorance that is in them because of the blindness of their heart. So spiritual ignorance, man, even though that man...
Bros, good morning. Happy Sunday. I bet you see my phone where I put for you.
Ha! No, I didn't see any phone.
I bet, who there here?
Omabi.
Daddy,
What's doing?
I plug for you, go outside. I just come back. I know they see my phone here.
No, now. They're not a thief for my house now. They never thief for my house once.
Now, wow. First time when some people just come bless the house, something don't they miss.
What do you mean by that?
Madam, what kind of statement is that now? Are you trying to accuse me?
Oh, God, not call anybody. The person wey thief and know himself. What did happen?
Okay, I plug phone for you, go outside. I just they come. I know they see my phone.
Have you alone a day? You can't take the phone.
Okay, calm down. Govinda, please, is this uncle that stole the phone?
How?
I did not.
No many thief, just come person had the thief phone.
Okay, calm down. Solo. Now, bad thing I do when I say, may you come watch your church program from my house.
Oh, sir, it's not a bad thing. I did not take anything. I didn't steal the phone. I don't take anything.
Okay, Mona, wait. Mona, relax. Govinda, tell me the truth. Is it this uncle that stole the phone? Govinda, is it daddy that stole the phone? Is it this uncle that stole the phone? Is it you that stole the phone?
Omabi, this one not be the phone when you talk say lost.
Bro, you they confirm why now?
What is that?
Now left hand I put that in my pocket.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.